Let's learn a. The next Persian vowel in Persian language is a. A. Look at my mouth. A. Now listen to me. Abr. 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 Abr is the same as cloud in English. Abr, cloud. What sound do you hear at the beginning of this word? Ah, that's right. Ah. Listen again. Barf. 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 Barf is the same as snow in English. Now, pay attention to this word. Barf. What sound do you hear first? Yeah, it's B. But what's after that? What B is, somehow we can say we sound the sound that B makes after the B sound is B-A, right? Just separate it a little. B-A. Barf. Barf. It's A, right? So, abr is the same as a cloud and it starts with A. Barf is the same as snow and it sounds like A at the beginning after B sound. B-A. Repeat with me. B-A. Now attach it to each other. Ba. Barf. Let's go and see how it works. Look here. Looks so familiar, right? This one looks like A, but instead of that hat, it has something like this, and it sounds A. What about this one? It doesn't have this, and by this we mean line or that somehow we can say that alphabet that we are using in that part, okay? So it's nothing. This part is again the same as this. Both of them are A. A. It's the second vowel. Now come here, look here. Abr. Abr. Look at the red part. It's the first one. It sounds like A and it comes at the beginning. This one comes at the beginning and it sounds like A. What about the next one? Barf. Barf. Remember B, you know all the alphabet right now. But look here, B. What about this red part here? This makes this one sound A. So when we have B and it's above that, this little one here is above that, makes it sound like A. B, A, B, A, barf. So this one comes, what's the difference? This one comes at the beginning. This one comes everywhere but the beginning. On all these, yes, on all these alphabet it can take place and make all of them sound A. Here it sounds like B-A. Let's go to the next part and see what practices we have for next session. Pay attention to this word, that this one always comes at the beginning. We don't have capital A or small or lowercase a. We just know that this one comes at the beginning and this one comes in the middle. Not at the beginning, not at the end, just the middle. Just the middle, like this. When the sound wants to, this makes all the consonants sound like A. it comes above all the consonants, make them sound like a. It's the second, third, or always at the middle. For practice, just one page for this a that comes always at the beginning, and this one which of course comes after it, just like how I wrote it down. One line for this one and one line for this one. And of course, instead of saying cloud, we say abr, and instead of saying snow, we say barf. But try something else. Just like what we had with a, try to pay attention to all the Persian words that you hear or see and try to place a on it, if it's come at the beginning or at the middle. Pay attention to this. Don't forget to comment for me and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next session, and until then, bye.